Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. So you want to show only relevant questions to each person taking the quiz? Skip logic is your secret weapon. Skip logic shows or hides question based on the previous answers. Let me show you how we can do that. So once you're in your quiz, move on to the question that you would like to add the logic branching to. Click on the sign here. Once you're in there, you have a question. For that, you can add a condition. So you can add a condition like one condition which can take it to the next question or the question after that. You can have skip the question so it goes to the next relevant question. You can add multiple conditions. You can let them know if it should be either one of these, then it goes to this one, or it can be all of these to take them to the next condition. You can add multiple conditions as well. Once you have the conditions, you save it, and if moving forward you want to disable one, you can just turn it off or you can simply delete it. So you have several ways to add conditions, remove, deactivate them. This keeps your quiz short and relevant for everyone. You can also skip straight to results or a specific question. So you can have the condition to jump onto one of the results, either directly to the form field or one of the results that you have linked to your question. Always test your logic flow by previewing the quiz and taking different answer paths. This feature can cut your quiz time in half. Skip logic keeps your quiz fast, relevant, and high converting. If you still have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you. Start building your quiz today with LeadQuizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.